Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday, for some of you. Not for me, not for Robin, not today, but soon. Okay, last night I prepared Mongolian beef 3. The third iteration of Mongolian beef I have done. I think you know the drill. It was very good. I did add a few things to it, to the recipe that I'll share later. I had about 4 ounces of baby bella mushrooms I needed to use. I sliced those up. I added an onion. I should have just added half of the onion. Oops. And I changed the sauce up a little bit, just a little bit. But it was very good. Served it over rice. There's photographs everywhere. Today, I'm actually, I have a recipe, but this is a total casual chef deal here. I'm using the written recipe as kind of just as some reminders. But really, it's all basically it's all me. So it's basically I'm doing a corned beef cottage pie. What a great way to use the leftovers from Sunday. Let me show you. Got some hardware. All right, we got Cold Cannon potatoes, corned beef, and carrots from Sunday's feast. I'll be adding to that some peas and some corn, but the peas have pearl onions. That was a Robin's suggestion. Of course, there's going to be some garlic, a little bit of olive oil to fry some, to saute up some of this stuff, some kosher salt, some black pepper, some beef stock, a splash or two of Lee & Perrin's Worcestershire sauce, some thyme, maybe some dried parsley flakes. I still have some fresh parsley in the cold box. And to top it off, there'll be some sharp cheddar cheese threaded. Yes. So, as you can see, a great way to use some leftovers. That was the plan the whole time. Because you know me, I scheduled my menus and recipes out at least a week. So yeah, I had this planned with some input from Robin on the actual mixture of ingredients. So not a lot of cooking. Just some sautéing. It'll go in the hot box, of course, but not a lot of cooking today. A little bit of prep. Just a little bit. Yeah. So, on this Taco Tuesday, or for me, here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen, Leftover Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking. Phenomena.